Hi, my name is Tihomir Dmitrovic and I'm the founder of the Commonwealth. Commonwealth will give voice access to websites. Almost half of United States households have at least one smart speaker, and the market is still growing. Voice assistants are now commonplace, but there is a problem with the complex technology behind them. They use artificial intelligence, they run in the cloud, and if you want to use it for your own business, it's difficult. At a minimum, you will need two different sets of developers. Currently, the most successful solution to that problem is VoiceLaw, which also runs in the cloud, and you still need developers to use it. Most importantly, it doesn't work well with WordPress. And WordPress is the platform which is most commonly used by e-commerce websites, and it represents 40% of the internet. Commonwealth is a less complex solution, which runs within an existing system. We created it as a WordPress plugin and made it instantly available for millions of websites. Secondly, Commonwealth completely removes the necessity for the programmers in the delivery process. The whole voice experience is managed through a visual editor and can be used by almost any webmaster. There are just too many different use cases to deliver the perfect fit for everyone. That's why we created Commonwealth as a framework and base for handling all cases, while specific niche needs will be implemented by the developers who are handling them anyway, improving their own and our offer at the same time. Freemium is a well-established model on the WordPress market, and we will follow it. But Commonwealth is the first of its kind to aim at the voice market, which puts us in the privileged position. We can later scale up into some additional services. Our strategy for the next phase is to define premium model for our primarily targeted customers, development agencies. And we also want to approach the plugin development market by offering an instant solution for one of its narrow segments and make us trend on it. We are raising 300,000 euros, which we will use to tackle the market of hundreds of thousands of potential customers and to make our first significant impact on the existing voice market. We are an experienced team that has been 5 years together. Scalable projects are our specialty. We have found an untapped niche and created a solution for it, which is now ready to be deployed into the market. Commonwealth will give voice access to websites.
Hello, I'm Veronica and I'm a co-founder of Hypefy, a platform that connects small businesses and influencers. We are solving a common problem of why small businesses are still not using influencers in their digital campaigns. Online ad platforms are enabled by companies like Facebook and Google. Influencer marketing is similar to that, only with 400% higher return on investment. There are 3 reasons why small businesses are still not using influencers. Small businesses are lacking time. Usually, they do not have budget for big influencers, nor knowledge to find suitable influencers. That's why we created Hypefy, an AI platform that automatically finds and hires the best matching influencers on Instagram and later on TikTok. We designed Hypefy to be widely available. We connect small businesses with influencers. We show them Instagram profile with value, numbers, and engagement they can achieve. Hypefy algorithm, based on machine learning, finds the best matching influencers and sends job offers. Influencers receive offers, accept jobs, and are paid based on their results. We make money by taking fee from every launched campaign. Our secret to success is making it 100% automatic and simple. We are focused on micro and nano influencers, and companies can run their campaigns with a much smaller budget. We are not alone in the market, but we are simple, budget-friendly, and automatic. Our platform is ready with Android app. We have around 1,000 influencers logged in on our platform and around 200 companies on waiting list. Popular influencers and big brands are keen to be part of our platform. Hypefy is raising $200K. With investment, we plan to expand sales and operations to the USA, build platform with iOS, and add subscription packages. We are a strong team with Davor on the tech side, Philip on the commercial side, and I'm a professional influencer with 200,000 followers who has been in this business for more than 5 years. We are Hypefy, and we help small businesses to grow faster with influencer marketing.
Hi, I'm Ivan and I'm the founder of Milot. If you ever ordered something online and it came looking nothing like you expected, you know why this is one of the biggest fears consumers face while buying online. We are here to change that by bringing video to e-commerce, connecting people with products they like via videos and live streams. You can think of us as a mix of TikTok and Amazon, combining TikTok's user interface with Amazon's e-commerce capabilities. Video commerce has been growing rapidly in China, reaching 10% of the Chinese e-commerce market in 2021, but it's practically still non-existent in the West, which means that there is a potential $700 billion market that we are creating. Live commerce is the biggest part of e-commerce, and it has conversion rates of over 30%, which is 10 times more than conventional e-commerce conversion rates. The problem that mobile e-commerce is facing today is differentiation. Companies differentiate on many different things, such as products, product algorithms, shipping times, and so on, but they don't differentiate on one of the most decisive factors, which is user interface. And this is where we shine. We're a live and video commerce platform that converts visitors into buyers more effectively than any other e-commerce platform out there. So, who makes the videos? Both merchants and influencers can make the videos. If merchants themselves don't have videos, influencers can make videos for them and earn a small fee in exchange. Alongside the user experience that is drastically better than our competition, we managed to halve the number of steps needed to buy via video. This enables users to buy more often and influencers to only use one platform to sell via video. Our biggest competitor is Taobao Live, which is based in China. And it can do this because it has a critical mass of merchants and influencers needed from its parent company, Alibaba. The Western competitors do not have this ability, and they offer either live streaming or videos, and none of them offer both. This is our unfair advantage. We offer both videos and live streams, and we enable both merchants and influencers to post products on our site. So, what's our roadmap? We're going to be launching our MVP next week, and with it, we are going to prove that our conversion is better than any other e-commerce platform out there. After that, we are going to be launching our marketplace and live streaming features. We are looking for a €650,000 investment, and 80% of that money will go into marketing and product development. We are going to be able to expand across the EU, starting with German-speaking countries. Our business model is simple. We collect a fee on every transaction made on our marketplace. Both of my co-founders finished the best technical university in Zagreb and have relevant industry expertise. We managed to create this product in-house in record time and are ready to scale. So join us in bringing video to e-commerce.
Hi everyone, I'm Sandro, head of the Naomi team. We have built a mobile app to help companies take care of their employees' mental health. These days, a lot of people are anxious and worried more than ever about their future. Sometimes lonely and depressed while working from home, and they often have trouble sleeping. This global problem destroys the workplace atmosphere and productivity, which is forecast to cost over $6 trillion by 2030. Today, companies are aware about the seriousness of their employees' mental health, but are still stuck using legacy solutions like one-on-one meetings, seminars, and gym memberships, which all have low engagement. This is why we created Naomi, your personal mental health assistant. You just open the app and tell her what's bothering you. Naomi then guides you through a series of techniques and mini-games based on scientifically proven therapies to help you find solutions to your problems. For example, breathing exercises when you are stressed or a problem-solving conversation. The mental health application market is growing annually by 24% and it's forecast to reach $4 billion in value by 2027. We are primarily targeting SME companies that are investing in their employer branding and want to reduce the costs associated with their employees' bad mental health. Currently, we have 4 companies in the pipeline with 1,000 employees, and we're aiming to acquire a total of 150 companies with 50,000 employees in the next 3 years. Our competitive advantage is a solution that combines a highly engaging mobile app with access to live and online psychotherapy sessions. The app has a free version and a premium version with all the content and techniques unlocked. Although Naomi is available on the stores for everyone to download, our primary focus is to offer Naomi Premium as an employee benefit to companies. In these first 2 weeks of our release, we grew to over 2,000 users and got 12 premium subscribers, which means that we already got our first revenue. Currently, 4 companies requested a proposal to buy Naomi for their employees. As psychologists, Nicolina and I have acquired a client base of over 200 companies, and together we've done over 1,500 hours of psychotherapy. Marino has previous startup experience and is proficient in UX design and Flutter mobile app development. In the Q4 of 2021, we will be raising 500,000 euros for product development, sales and marketing, so we can acquire a total of 50,000 premium users and scale into the USA market. My name is Sandro, and we in Naomi help companies take care of their most valuable asset, their employees' mental health.
Hi, my name is Yaroslav, and I'm here to tell you about Ninja Lender, marketplace that gives a new chance for rejected loans. Why is this important? Because 87% of all loan applications for individuals are rejected. Just imagine you can go to a bank 5 times and only once you will get a positive decision. And it's very crucial nowadays since financial inclusion has declined due to COVID-19, especially for low-income families and small businesses. In Ninja Lender, we believe the story does not have to end here, because the reality is that many people got rejected only because of algorithms, risk models and scoring systems. That's why we built a B2B platform to help banks and lending companies reduce the wastage of loan applications by matching rejected borrowers with other credit providers. With Ninja Lender, credit institutions can reduce customer acquisition costs, get verified leads, and increase customer loyalty. All of them can use Ninja Lender to buy and sell any type of rejected loan application. They just need to ask for permission and send data to our platform via API, and then we will search for another credit provider that can offer a loan. Our business model is based on transaction fees. We take 20% brokerage from the data price for successful transactions. Currently, we are targeting the Polish market, and the rejected volume for consumer loans here is more than 100 billion euros. Lending comparison platforms are our main but indirect competitors. They help borrowers to avoid rejection by finding the best loan provider for their needs. We found out that payday loan companies in Poland are used to buy and sell rejected loans, so we have several competitors in this segment. However, our platform is not focused on payday loans or lending companies. Also, it can be used both for personal and SME loans. So we aim to start exchanging between banks and non-banking companies for different loan types. And finally, solve one of the largest inefficiency gaps in the financial world together. We are a team of 5 guys experienced in fintech solutions and launching new products. Together we build software for lending companies in Ukraine, having more than 1 million clients in total. The platform is ready, and we are about to launch Ninja Lender with 5 lending companies in Poland. So we are looking for cooperation with banks now, and for investment as well, in order to grow in Poland and reach 100,000 euros MRR in 12 months. It was Yaroslav, CEO and founder at Ninja Lender. We operate the marketplace for rejected loans.
Hi, my name is Sabina Veronica, founder of Optispace, a solution for dynamic renting of business spaces. Traditionally, conservative real estate deals are becoming more open and dynamic with the growing economic power of digital service companies. Average lease lengths and notice periods are becoming shorter. And now, COVID has changed that even more into short-term and flexible leases. In the next 2 to 3 years, more than 60% of active population will change business premises. Commercial landlords have to fill their empty office spaces since the demand is now more looking for flexible terms. Landlords are therefore looking for solutions that will allow them to do business in this new environment. We developed Optispace with the aim of solving business space renting for an hour or a day, really short term. In Slovenia, we got excellent results of over 500 bookings in around 6 months with 5 small locations, despite COVID and several months of closure. We found that there is virtually no difference between renting for an hour, a day, or a few months. Also, we found that we have great UX. We started in Frankfurt, Germany in the fall. We found that our solution is great for large companies that need to fill out their premises. Our providers are Collection Next Tower, K1 Business Club, and the like. Now, we are entering the US market, where the problems are bigger, the challenges are greater, and the whole market is boiling. Here, we are targeting commercial landlords on the supply side, then partnering with brokers, and targeting enterprises on the demand side. We will charge a monthly subscription fee to the landlords and commission from the contracted annual value when looking for occupiers. Compared to the competition, we have unique business model and competitive pricing. We are not WeWork, not Liquid Space. We are not targeting co-working spaces with no events or community within the space, which is preferred by the enterprises for their employees. We are entering a huge market and currently focusing on the segment of property owners with 5 to 15 office buildings in New York and Chicago, which is just a start. Our main source of potential clients is LinkedIn. We are using different tools and we are contacting them either via email or LinkedIn. Customer acquisition cost is €600 at the moment. We need additional €500,000 to enter the US market, around 65% for the cost of sales and 35% for marketing, development, and general expenses. Combined, we have over 60 years of international experience, including the US market. We are covering all business areas needed to succeed. My name is Sabina Veronica. We are Optispace, and we are changing how people utilize their vacant business space.
Hi, I'm Victor, the CEO of Paintforce, the company that aims to bring the power of digital into the hands of painters. A painting renovation project seems pretty easy, right? Then how do you explain that 50% of customers are not satisfied with price and quality? They struggle finding a professional painter. They spend days waiting for quotations, and when they finally receive it, 83% feel suspicious. So they give up. They use jobbing platform or even try to paint themselves, but they end up even more disappointed. At Paintforce, we believe that helping the painter is the key. They lose a lot of time in administrative tasks, take blind business decisions, and don't put effort into customer experience. You understand this situation when you know that less than 10% of painters use digital tools that could help them solve these issues. But the interest of painters toward digital is increasing. That's why Paintforce is the first digital management tool dedicated to painters, on which they can easily create and send quotations, saving up to 3 days each month with better signing results. They also get new painting projects and monitor their business activity. The customer gets a clear estimation and make an easy booking with different payment options. Then, a secured collaborative project management tool is the communication with the painter during the project. Paintforce brings efficiency to painters and satisfaction to their customers. The painting market represents 12 billion euros in France and 150 billion euros in Europe, and is only starting its digitalization. To break this market, we have access to 8 painting brands, 1,500 painting partner shops and 30 sales representatives. We are the first to specifically address the painting market, and our tool is competitive and affordable when it comes to its features. We aim to secure a monthly recurring revenue thanks to a 39 euro subscription for painters, and our business model gets more interesting with the 10% commission paid by the customer on each project. Our tool is currently being used by 150 active painters who give us permanent feedback on how to improve the next version of Paintforce that will be released this summer with key features. We also established 9 partnerships with painting brands, painting shops, and painting training institutions. We need 300,000 euros investment to reinforce our customer service, our marketing, and launch our go-to-market strategy and the matchmaking business. Guillaume, our CEO, has 15 years of experience in marketing and entrepreneurship. I'm driving the operations, and Vitor is a senior web developer with more than 20 years of experience. We are the perfect balance between business, marketing, and development skills. With 150 active painters, we already are the biggest service dedicated to painting projects in France. We are Paintforce, and we bring the power of digital into the hands of painters and satisfaction to their customers.
I'm David from Storing Cargo, the Airbnb for warehousing. This is empty space in the warehouse. We at Storing Cargo figured out that companies have empty space in their warehouses and warehousing seekers cannot find it and rent it over the internet. This is a problem and great opportunity. Warehousing industry is still using faxes and Excel tables to operate. Most warehouses don't even promote their services, and we are here to help them. The solution is a marketplace called Storing Cargo, where warehousing seekers can find and reserve warehousing service over the internet, control their stock from home, or even order additional services like transport, fulfillment, and so on. For suppliers with a warehouse, Storing Cargo helps companies to earn additional income, to offer their space to worldwide clients and become fully digitized. We are combining the Airbnb business model with warehousing industry in one solution. The warehousing industry is a $428 billion worth industry that needs to be digitized and improved. We are aiming to capture 10% of it. Today, only logistics companies offer warehousing services, and the best thing in our concept is that we are inviting regular companies to join with their warehouses, and with sharing economy mentality, we are creating a huge impact on the market. Besides that, we also have no long-term contracts, no minimum warehousing time, no minimum quantity limits, and the best thing is that our infrastructure allows companies all over the world to join us easily. Our business model is to charge 20% for each booking or minimum 20 euros. We charge 15% for all additional services like transport, fulfillment, and so on, and the average booking fee for now is 43 euros. Our business model already shows results because we have 645 registered users since we launched, 410 registered warehouses in 20 different countries, and in 4 months we create a few thousand euros of revenue already. Our revenue jumped for 288% from April to May. Our well-known customers are Robinson, the 16 billion logistics company from the US, Sender, the fastest growing startup in Europe, and many other companies from e-commerce, product distribution business, and logistics business. We are raising 300,000 euros to invest in growth and to expand our business all over Europe. We want to expand the way Storing Cargo can be used. We want to implement Live Messenger and long-term rental features that will cover around 80% of all warehousing use cases. I'm David, and I'm the second-time founder. I created a 1 million logistics company from scratch, and now I'm fully focused on solving this problem. The development is led by Aleš. We are the best combination between product development and logistics expertises. We are Storing Cargo, the Airbnb for warehousing.
Countless studies have shown us the benefit of music and sound on our mental and physical health, and we believe it is the most untapped source for preventive and non-invasive solutions. Insomnia, anxiety, stress, and lack of focus are issues increasingly affecting our working age demographic. Any of these issues lead to another and easily become a vicious cycle. This is why we decided to create Supermind, a platform with highly customizable generative music that guides users to sleep, relax, and focus. We use customization input, users' health data, and environment data to adapt the sound in real time, guiding users to their goals. While our competition is focused on pre-recorded, same for all, not customizable, guided meditation solutions, we decided to approach this problem with adaptive sound, a customizable music, giving users ability to control and understand how music and sound affects their body and mind. This gives us a unique positioning on the $120 billion global mental wellness market. In our customer segment, we offer all guides, controls, and content for $5.99 a month. And our business-to-business is segmented into 3 areas. Supermind for business, with corporate wellness models, providing your employees with health and productivity tools. We have Supermind Music for commercial use of our music. And we have Power by Supermind, custom solution for companies to power their features, services, and products with Supermind Engine. We launched in April, and we're working hard on our retention, which skyrocketed after we launched music-guided breathing exercises. We are working on beats for focus, and we are releasing new music and features every 2 weeks. We are raising 500,000 euros to acquire new users through marketing, speed up our product development process, and protect our IP. My name is Niko Čurić, and I co-founded Supermind with my brother Teo and our best friend Marko Rogic. We are a team of musicians and engineers with passion and experience in building products in health and music industry for more than 1 million paying customers. We are Supermind, and we compose harmony between sound and health.
Hi, I'm Ursha, and I'm in love with advertising. I have been working in this field for 20 years, and during that time I have been helping companies and advertising agencies to make better ads which would sell more. If you want to make better ads, you need to have a lot of data, knowledge about the consumers. And you get that knowledge with market research. Many different types exist, but none of them focuses on visual communication. But we believe that it should. After all, the world is visual. Consumers are visual beings. And visual communication is the most important part of advertising. So business-to-consumer companies have a problem because existing market researchers do not focus on visual elements. They're time-consuming, expensive, complicated, and unstructured. That's why we have developed This Is Better, an online tool for research of visual marketing communication that is fast, affordable, simple, and sexy. Companies select the most appropriate research and place an order in a minute. They insert ads, videos, packaging, or other visual elements. System automatically check the solution with the real and relevant consumers who are paid for their responses. Companies can start tracking results immediately, and they get final research report in 2 days. Because we offer a holistic approach, the report includes rating and ideas for improvement. In beta version, we also collect emoji feedback, eye tracking, and emotion recognition. Today, companies can do in-house research, use research agencies, or find some solution in the middle. This Is Better will disrupt this industry with a large consumer database, focus on visual communication, research of emotions, and more comprehensive report. Advertising research market is worth over 50 billion euros and is growing at 5% per year. At the moment, we cover 5 countries and 10 new will be opened in a year. More than 20 clients use the tool and generate 1K monthly revenue. At the end of 2022, our monthly recurring revenue will be over 100K. We are focusing on subscription model, where weekly use of This Is Better is implemented. We are raising 250K to complete our mobile app and upgrades to boost sales in existing and new countries. Together with Janine, we are the co-founders, and there are 8 additional experts in our team. I'm excited about the future of This Is Better, which will change the advertising industry.
Hello, my name is Rareș Pășcuț, and today I'm presenting Typing AI Biometrics. Nowadays, we use too many passwords and most of them are hard to remember. Websites got hacked and sensitive data is leaked. Students take classes and exams online due to the COVID-19 pandemics. As of September 2019, the European Payment Services Directive requires banks and fintechs to integrate multi-factor authentication solutions. Typing biometrics is also accepted. Typing AI identifies users by the way they type. A unique typing ID is generated for each user. Users with similar typing will have different typing IDs. This is why we guarantee a 99.9% accuracy score. In this video, you will see a short demonstration where a stranger tries to log in into a victim's account after seeing his password. Access is denied because the typing signature doesn't match the password pattern. The global cybersecurity market is set to be $165 billion in 2021, and it is estimated to grow up to $366 billion by 2028. Our main advantage against the competition is that we use a unique algorithm that has a higher accuracy score. We use a freemium software as a service business model. Customers convert to paid plans in order to get more user identity checks, in order to be able to create more projects and to add more team members to their accounts. We provide a dedicated service level agreement to our paying customers. We are looking to raise an investment of €300,000 in order to boost product development, marketing and sales. In 6 months, we will get to a monthly recurring revenue of €15,000. We will also achieve a milestone of over 100 paying customers. In June 2021, we will focus on user growth. We will join Zapier, Microsoft Azure and AWS Marketplace. In July 2021, we will launch a new Identity as a Service product, which will be a direct Google competitor. Our advantage is that we use a unique algorithm that has a high accuracy score and no false positives. Typing AI can be integrated with any programming language for web, desktop and mobile applications. Our team has 10 years of experience across the cybersecurity sector. Our mission is to make the web a safer place to be. My name is Rareș Pășcuț and this is Typing AI.
We Concilium, building the next generation of AI-powered app and platforms for insurance brokers and agents. Brokers today are still spending a vast majority of their time doing mundane and repetitive tasks. It takes them lots of time to follow through on deals. Communication with head office and clients are very fragmented because they're using telephones, fax machines, emails, and even text messages. This results in data put entry, slow deal flow processing, and missed deadlines. Brokers should be spending this valuable time with their clients, maximizing profits and revenue for the companies. We Concilium, we've built an integrated deal flow app, which allows communication between head office and client and the broker seamlessly. Clients can now log in and see what broker they're dealing with and all the documents that are required for that deal. Brokers can amend and change any elements of the documents, which ensures that the deal is on target. Automatic notifications will be sent to the client, so there's no need for chase-up emails or text messages. Head office has visibility across the board, and as a result, they can see the deal flow. They can see exactly which broker is speaking to which client, what quotes are being managed, and the documentation. Head office also can now have real-time, up-to-date sales data and quotations. Deals now can be done within days, not weeks, not months. The market for insurance is about 4 trillion. 90% of it still goes to the London market. This is still a fragmented market and, most importantly, lacks digitalization and automation. According to the latest Berkshire Hathaway report, the insurtech space is growing phenomenally and will soon be second to the fintech. Persons and customers using our software can save a lot. Our present client BMS, with a spend of 50,000, can save up to 400,000. With large brokers such as Aon, with 250 brokers, the savings can be as much as 2.4 million. We're going to focus on clients such as these simply because they're similar to our present client, which means we can have a solid go-to-market strategy and also a solid product market fit. In terms of competitors, there's no competitor out there that are providing a similar software. The softwares provided are very generic, which is causing one of the challenges in terms of fragmentation, because many persons are using a variety of softwares. Our raise is 350,000 euros. Of this, 60% will be used for development, 30% will be used for marketing, and 10% will be used for administration. Recently, we won the Most Innovative Broker of the Year award with our client BMS. This proves that the problem we're solving is a pain point for the entire industry. Our team is experienced in both the front end and the back end. Our tech partner, Vesuvia Labs, is a leading AI insurtech builder in London. We Concilium, building the next generation of insurtech apps and platforms for insurance brokers and agents.